about this for stroke. So back here, over here is the exhaust. Okay, it will always be on this side. It will not be on the other side. You'll always find it here. Okay, next part. You see down here, this is the suspension. The rims, I mean. And this is the tire. These are the ones that hold the tire in place. The rotator. This is what lets the wheel not fall off the bike. Okay? Now, the mud flap. It always prevents mud, so when you ride, if it slips off your tire and hits this thing, it won't hit your body instead. Next part, the engine protector. The engine protector is what prevents the oil, the petrol from getting dirty. So when you want to open it, there's not much things inside there. This is the choke. When your bike doesn't want to start, you can rotate it a bit. Knee pads. This prevents the mud from getting onto your steering pole. Okay? And now, the part that I've all been waiting for. Okay. Back here. The black thing in there. That is the suspension. That's what makes the bike so heavy. So, I'm gonna put it down there. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna bounce this bike. Can you see how the suspension is moving? That's when you land in a jump. Your bike has to bounce when it lands in the jump. Okay, this is where your foot goes on. So to make sure, there's triangles on mine, you know why? So my shoes can grip to these so it doesn't fall off. This goes like this. If you hit the tight space, you can lift up this leg, and then when you hit the tight space, it pulls this in. Next part, this. Is the kickstand. So, if you don't have these, like some KTMs don't, your bike will fall over. Next one. This. And these two things. And these two things. And this. Those are all graphics. See? Also, these two things are graphics. So, you can put them on your bike. You can go to the track, so it prevents everything from getting dirty. Your seat will get a bit dirty. This is also a graphic. It's basically stickers. The graphics on this one is over here. That is over here. This one doesn't have graphics. Over here. No graphics here. That's a graphic. This is a graphic. Okay. So, I'm at 17 subscribers. Please, can you get me to 1,000?